In this video, I will show you how to add Dahua camera to phone. Download and install DMSS on your phone. For Android, get it from the Google Play Store. Open DMSS on your phone. Tap the plus add device icon. Select SN/scan QR code or manually add /Bluetooth search or IP/domain or search on LAN option. Choose anyone among from them. Scan the P2P QR code from your device. This is the easiest way. You can find the QR code under Main menu, Network and P2P. The QR code may also be on the box of the device. If you don't have a QR code, tap Manually Enter SN and enter the serial number manually. Choose the correct device type NVR for a recorder with IP cameras, DVR XVR for a recorder with CVI cameras, wired camera for a stand-alone camera connected to a switch or a router. Enter the required details like device name. Choose a recognizable name. Enter the password of the device's admin account. Then tap Save to complete the setup. That's it. Now you know how to add Dahua camera to phone. If this video helps, like, share and subscribe.